Please be alive. Hey, little guy. Hi. Oh, geez. Hi. Hi. There you go. Hey, oh my God. Look at that. Oh. Good mama. Good mama. Yeah. Yeah. Hi. Oh my God, I didn't know you were pregnant. Oh my goodness. We're gonna have to build a milking stand in a big fat hurry, aren't we? Hi. You pick the greatest places to give birth, don't you guys? Hi. Yeti, you naughty boy. You knocked this goat up. Yes, you did. Naughty goat. You're gonna have to pay child support now, mister. Yeah. Oh my goodness, aren't you cute? You got another one in there, or was that the only one? I'm glad you told me this one was coming. I had no idea. Hi. Please tell me the rest of you aren't pregnant. Hi. Because Yeti's not supposed to be the papa. Oh my goodness, aren't you cute? Yeah. Oh, good girl. Hi. Who's your good girl? Who's your good girl? Yes, who's your good girl? Yeah, mommy. Hi. 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 Hi there. Hello. Hi. Hi. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's a lot of afterbirth. Yes, it is. If we'd had the camera on 2 seconds sooner, we would have caught this little one sliding right out of your butt. Oh my goodness. Oh, yeah, good stretch. Give everything a stretch. No rush to get up. Oh my goodness, we should clean you off. It's a little chilly out here. You're all wet. Is Mama gonna clean you off? Hi, S'mores. What's that? Did a little goat just fall out of your friend? A little goat just fall out of your friend? I hope Mud Pie's not pregnant too. She's a little fatter than everybody else. Jeez. You've got a little goober there. You do. Yeah. Hi. Yes, clean your little one up. Yeah. Hi. Hello. They're eating grass like he's not even responsible for this mess. Yeah. Oh. Wow. Yeah. You're the first little goat born here. You are. Mommy seems to be very fond of you already, so that's much less work for me. I'm very happy about that. Hi. Who needs a hoof trim? Yeah. Hi. Oh. You got all this wet afterbirth all over you. Yeah. Is that your baby? Sure is. Wow. Look at the coloring. Yeah. Oh. Hi. Who's an auntie now? Yeah. Yeah. Hi. Yes. You're probably not because you're a goat. We don't want the pigs to smell it either. No, we don't. You a little cleaned off. Huh? Hi. Oh, let's get that off of you. Yuck. That's probably a little easier to get up, right? Yeah. Oh, so cute. Be on your feet in no time. Come on. Almost there. Nice Mars. Hey, mud pie. Is that a little baby goat? Is that a little baby goat? Yes. Yes. Is that a baby goat? Is that after birth on the camera screen? Is that a baby goat over there? It is. It is. Yeah. That's a baby goat. Yeah. Hi. Hi. Yeah, we're gonna need to milk you. How are we gonna do that? We're gonna have to build a milking stand in a big fat fucking hurry. This is a surprise. I was hoping Yeti wasn't effectively getting to you. He did, all right. Naughty goat. Hi. Yeah. Yeah. Huh? You're doing a good job. You're doing a great job. Yeah. You're doing a great job, girl. Oh, that's a little warmer if that sun stays out, huh? Yeah. Oh. Hi. Yeah. Whoops. You gonna try to get up, little one? Still got some afterbirth caught in your hoof there. Yeah. Yeah, you had your baby right on the damn ground. Not in a nice warm spot. Yeah. I'll get some hay under you, little one. You gonna get up? You gonna get up? Already? Yeah? Hi. Hi. Come on, little one. Mom is being nice and encouraging. Yeah. Oh, what a good mama. Come on. Yeah. Oh. Nudging you gently. Gently nudging. We got a sitting position. It's hard to get all that body weight up at once, isn't it? Yeah. You got some stuff on your face there. Starting to dry that coat out a little. We gotta get you out of that mucky mess so you dry off a little. Yeah, we do. Yeah, Mama, I'm gonna go get some hay, okay? Get some hay for your little one. Hi. Mm. know you want to eat it. Of course you do. Yeah, go ahead. Whoops. Let's get you into some hay at least. There. It's much drier. Oh. Yeah. Oh, my hands are covered in goat. This is great.